There are some amazing Windows shortcuts that have already been there, but there are chances that you are not aware of them. So, which are these shortcuts? Let me tell you here. Windows plus D. So simple, press Windows plus D and you will be able to open the desktop and press it again and it hides the desktop. Next is Windows plus comma. If you do that, you can peek at the desktop very quickly. These both are absolutely cool when someone walks into the room suddenly. Honestly, try it. Next is Windows plus V. When you press these two keys, you get the clipboard history. From here, you can paste your previously copied items and navigate the arrow keys to find where to paste. You can copy up to 25 items and you can pin even frequently used items on this. Next is Windows plus period. When you press this on a dock, it immediately opens up an emoji sticker. Use arrow keys to browse or type in the search section for something specific. Next is Windows plus plus. It brings Windows magnifier into the picture and you can zoom in as much as you want into the screen. Try Ctrl plus K next. When you open a browser, just press Ctrl plus K and you can start typing in the browser directly without using any mouse. Try Ctrl plus Shift plus T. All the tabs that you have closed on the browser, you can bring them back using these three keys. Windows plus Tab. When you press them, it opens up the task view that opens up all the files as the tiles. You can use arrow keys to navigate to the window you want to work on. Now next, try Windows plus L. Use this to immediately lock your screen, especially when you have to go for some urgent work and not leave the screen open for everyone else. It's about your privacy for sure. Try Windows plus X. I tried it today only and it's wonderful. Use Windows plus X followed by U and another U and shut it down. So try these shortcuts today and let us know in the comment section how did you feel about them.